Hi guys, we're back at SSP. I showed you guys earlier how to remove and replace the door panel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the door speaker. If you want to upgrade it, this is the best way to do it. Yourself, save some money, spend the money on the speakers, not on the labor. So it's got 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Let me show you guys these speaker. The door panel screws, the speaker screws, they're all the same on the Subaru. There's 3 of them. And then there's one plug that I can get to with my fingernails. Man, this thing's heavy. It's a nice looking speaker. Well, it's an HK, harmon sound system. So these are very, very, very valuable speakers. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the rest of them off, and then if anybody wants a full set of these HK speakers, they will be for sale. I'm gonna bundle them together. And screws are not included unless you want them.